The Keurig K-Express single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker continues to be one of the most popular choices for busy households, and it's easy to see why. With over 10,000 units purchased in the past month, this Amazon's Choice favorite proves that simplicity, speed, and flavor still matter most in the kitchen. What makes it stand out? First, the 3 brew size options allow you to choose the perfect cup, whether you need a quick 8 ounces boost or a larger 12 ounces morning refill. The strong brew button is a game changer for coffee lovers who prefer a richer, bolder taste without complicated settings. One simple press gives you deeper flavor instantly. The 42 ounces removable water reservoir means fewer refills, making it perfect for small families, home offices, or anyone who drinks multiple cups a day. It heats quickly and delivers fresh coffee in minutes, no waiting, no mess. Its sleek black design blends seamlessly into modern kitchens, small apartments, and cozy coffee corners. Compact yet powerful, it fits easily on countertops without taking up too much space. If thousands are buying it every month, it's because it delivers consistent results, easy convenience, and reliable performance, making everyday mornings smoother and more enjoyable.